Hello everyone, welcome to DHAN. Today we are going to be doing some bank nifty analysis for Monday, May 31st. What I have opened here is the 15-minute chart of bank nifty, and I've drawn the support and resistance. As you can see this red trend line that I've drawn, right? It could act as a good support or a break of support because we have this coming from May 14th, almost half a month. You see, each time the price has touched this trend line, it has taken a good support here. 1 2 3 4 5, and here it almost looked like a breakdown on Friday, but possibly this was a false breakdown. It went up again, so we'll have to wait and see on Monday if this breaks. Only if this red trend line breaks, we will have a short. Not only the red trend line, this on Monday the red trend line should break and this level should go, what I've marked here, right? I'm marking in the red. This level should go because it reversed here on Friday. So once this level is taken out, these can be the targets on the downside. So we'll have to wait and watch on Monday if this trend line is taken out or we're again taking support and going up. In case we again take support like how we have done for past half a month, take support on this trend line, and see on this day if you're taking support, probably we open gap down or gap up and take support, go up. These are the possible next levels that we can use as targets. This would this would come around 500 points. Yeah, it could be achieved in single day, 500 points. So these are my targets on the upside. But since the US market is closed on Monday, I'm not expecting a very big move. It could consolidate just like how it happened on Friday. And for a minute, we'll just go to Nifty chart. Nifty is, as you guys know, it's already on all-time high. So anything above 15,472 is tradable with 15,470 as stop loss. So even Nifty might consolidate in this area. For Nifty to break down, it needs to break this trend line that I've drawn in purple. So since Nifty is also consolidating, the same would happen to Bank Nifty. Based on SGX Nifty close, what happened on Friday, yesterday, we are looking at a possible gap down, not a big one, a small one. So on Bank Nifty, it would be around 100 or 200 points. So let's just see the possible trades that we can take on Monday based on the gap up or gap down. See, my personal view is I'm expecting some more consolidation in Nifty before we break out on the upside or on the downside. Plus the US market is off on Monday due to Labor Day, so there can be less volatility, and it could just be some sort of consolidation even on Monday is what my personal view I'm having right now. So coming to the trade possibilities, in case like I trade on intraday, so my plan for Monday is, say we gap down 100 or 200 points based on SGX Nifty somewhere in this region. We will not short immediately. There's a possibility again we'll take support here and go up. Let me make this bigger and let me shift to a 5-minute chart, so the markings that I do will be more clearer. So in case we gap down in this region, there's a possibility we'll come here, take support, go up. Okay, so we'll not short immediately. I'll either wait for a rejection from this level and keep this as my first target. This would be how many points? About 200 points. That's fine. Keep this as my first target. In case this breaches and goes down, yeah, these will be my further targets. See, when the target is huge in a slow market, okay, 250 point, to be on the safer side, if you want to exit, you can even exit at 50% of this over here, right? So based on this breakdown of this line that I've drawn, that is what I'm going to mark in right now, the circle that I'm marking with the red. So since once this region is taken out, that is around 34,960, yeah, I will stick to my short. If there's any reversal from 34,960, I would book my profits. Reversal in the sense, say we gap down, go up, touch here, come down, and if there's some kind of reversal from this area, like how it happened on Friday, yeah, definitely book profits. That is my short trade plan. In case we gap down huge below this area, yeah, probably I'll wait for a small retest and then look for these targets, that is around 34,700. Now say since Nifty is all-time high, if there is some sort of coming back to the Nifty chart, we are at all-time high right now. If you go to a higher time frame daily, we can see the strength of the bulls are coming down slowly. There's like a doji candle that's being formed. So in case there is some sort of profit booking that happens in Nifty and we slip on Monday, especially on Monday, so and Bank Nifty is already weak, so if Nifty slips, Bank Nifty would also slip more heavily. So in case we have a huge downfall, these would be the possible targets where I've marked. See, it's not that it's going to fall 1,000 points on Monday, but we just need to be ready. You'll never know when the 1,000 point move comes, right? So when it comes, that time in the live market, instead of checking for levels, just I mark everything and keep. So these circles, red circles that I'm drawing are my targets for Monday, or eventually in the week in case we are moving down. So this is my plan for the short trade. And obviously if one target is reached, say I short somewhere over here after this trend line is broken, okay, or even short somewhere over here, when this target comes, I would definitely book some profit. As I'm an intraday trader, I need to be quick in options. That's the only way I make money. So once this is taken out, if there's, and again if I get some sort of confirmation in the intraday candle, again I would short probably for these levels. So that's how I do the scalping even in options. It's not every day that we get a straight 1,000 points fall, right? That happens like twice or thrice in a month. That's it. So now coming to the bullish side, now say Nifty is all-time high. Okay, now I've come back to the Nifty daily chart. Now say for some reason everything turns bullish, there's some other good news that comes in, or I don't know for what reason, if the market continues to go up making newer highs in Nifty, then even Bank Nifty will go up for some extent. Okay, it won't be as bullish as Nifty, but it will go up. So on the upside, the first target would be this 34,420, and next is this somewhere around 35,500 and 730. And how I've got these levels is based on the previous price action. I'm just shifting to 1 hour time frame to zoom out and see the other candles where I've marked. So based on this price action, I've taken this resistance, possible resistance for next week or Monday. See, in case we gap up and go until here, this 400 points or say 510 points, it could happen on Monday, Tuesday, in 1 or 2 days. So these are my levels for the upside. Now just having an overall view. So these are my levels for the resistance on the upside, support on the downside. If there is some kind of consolidation, which I think will most likely happen on Monday, since there will be less volume because of the US markets being closed, we could just consolidate like how we did on Friday, probably just 1 or short moves you might get for intraday in options, and just consolidate in this region, this red marking that I'm doing. So in that case, probably you will just have one trade in the day, or if you're if anybody is into option selling, they can sell options here and make some money. So this is my trade plan for Monday. Let's see how it goes. So until then, let's enjoy our weekend, and please subscribe to this channel and like this video. I'll be coming up with more videos like this. Thank you.